Here we have my almost complete Traxxas Summit. I say almost because, as with most things RC, I never seem to be quite able to finish a job. I always have another upgrade to do or something else to add to it. What I have here so far is a custom painted body and custom vinyls for the back and a full set of blinking and working lights. The body is held on with magnets, and there are 2 light controllers and a 3rd set of battery run lights, which are the top and front floodlights. Also, the side lights here are also working. The 2 light controllers I use are just this one cheap one from eBay, probably about $11-12, or you can get it at Amazon as well. It comes with 12 LEDs and they're pretty bright. And here we go. The front and the top floodlights are all ran by a 9-volt battery pack. The hazards lights do come on when the vehicle is not in motion, and the front lights will light up when it moves. Also, for the rear, we have indicators and also brake lights. All in all, the only thing I think I'm waiting on now is a roof rack with some scale accessories, and it should be done. Right now I'm pretty satisfied with what I have here. I think the next thing I'll do is put in an interior and get a couple drivers in there and hide all those wires that are currently visible through the window. And yes, this is a nurse custom design.